Tired of rebuilding the same Pipedrive report over and over? Duplicate it in 3 clicks and save hours. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate any report in Pipedrive. Follow these simple steps. So let's start with the first step. Open up Pipedrive. Just go ahead and log into your account like you normally would. Nothing fancy here. All right, next up, you need to navigate to Insights. Look over on the left sidebar. That's the panel running down the side of your screen, and click on the one that says Insights. It's usually pretty easy to spot with its own little icon. Now, open the report you want to duplicate. This is the most important part. Make sure you're looking at the exact report you need a copy of. So find it in your reports list and click to open it up. You should be seeing the full report view now, with all your charts and data right there on the screen. Here's where the magic happens. Look in the top right corner of that report view. You'll see a button that has 3 little dots arranged vertically. It's usually labeled as the More button. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that drops down, you're going to select Duplicate. And I really mean it when I say this. In my experience, this is the single biggest time saver in Pipedrive. 1 click and you're already miles ahead of rebuilding everything from scratch. Now just wait a moment. This part is super quick, but give it a second to process. You'll see the system create a fresh copy of your report. It usually takes just a few seconds, so don't stress if it doesn't appear instantly. And here's the really important part. Finally, review the duplicated report and make any edits. This is where you get to customize. The duplicate will have the exact same structure as the original, but you can tweak anything you want. Change the date range, swap out a filter, rename it, whatever you need. Pipedrive will automatically give the duplicate a slightly different name, usually something like report name copy or with a number added. So go ahead and give it a proper title that makes sense for you. And if the data looks a little off because your original had specific filters, just adjust those in the settings. It's all right there for you. That's really all there is to it. No more building reports from scratch every time you need a variation. No more worrying about inconsistencies between similar reports. Just duplicate, tweak, and you're done. Give this a try the next time you're staring down a pile of reporting work. You'll thank yourself later.